Hello, my name is Dr. Stephen Robillard, and today I want to talk to you about function. What do I mean by that? When people come to me, they are in pain, and I could tell them, oh, your pain is coming from your muscles or your pain is coming from inflammation, but really the cause of nearly all pain is function. My whole job is to restore function in the joints. If I get the joints, and function of joints means get them to move easier. If I get your neck and low back and your shoulders to move better, guess what doesn't work as hard? Your muscles. Your muscles are doing, oh, this is so much easier to move, and that muscle tension goes away. And it's a very fine point, but that's really, in a nutshell, what chiropractors do. We restore function to the musculoskeletal system, and that's what it's really all about. Of course, we do work on nerves. Of course, we do many other things. But for musculoskeletal pain, restoring function is key. My name is Dr. Stephen Robillard from Back to Health Chiropractic, where good health comes naturally.